Struggling to keep your projects on schedule and within budget? Let's learn how to put time limits on Clockify. First, navigate to your Clockify workspace via the web app. Time limits can only be set by admins. Note that you need to be using the paid version to access the time limits feature. Next, head over to the team page here. You will see a list of team members. Select the team member whom you wish to restrict to a specific project. After clicking on a team member, locate the project tab, click on it. This page will display which projects the selected member is assigned to. Now, next to the project where you wish to assign the time limit to, click on the edit button. This is usually represented by a pencil icon. Clicking edit will open the project settings for that specific user. In the project settings, you'll find a field labeled something like time estimate or allowed time. Here, you can input the maximum number of hours this user is permitted to log against this project. Make sure to set this to the correct amount. Once you've entered the desired time limit, click the Save button. This will apply the time restriction to the selected user for the specific project. Now, Clockify will track the time spent on this project by this team member and alert you and the user when they approach or exceed the allocated time. Use this feature to effectively manage your team's time and keep your projects on track.